Hello friends, now you are welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Errors and Actions. In this video, just I am showing you how can you change your keyboard setting using key tweaker softwares. If any key of your laptop or desktop keyboard is not working, you can interchange with your other key which are not frequently used. Just I am going to show you how to set the keys in your keyboard and save your money. Just open your Google Chrome and go to the description box of given download link and paste the link in your address bar and press enter. Then the software link will be ready for your download. Just click and download your tweaker software. This is my tweaker software downloaded. Just I am going extract this software and double click for installation. Just it is easy to install. Just complete the installation of the tweaker software and open your program which has been loaded. This is the tweaker program software. Just you keep your mouse on the key number, it shows the functions of the keyboard. Just I am going to select the control key replacing backspace. Means to say that I can use backspace with my control keys. Then click on apply. After click on apply, it will be going to restart your computer for registration update. Just I have restarted my computer. After restart, I am just showing you how it is working. I have create a notepad file, then I am going to type something and using my control key I am deleting the backward. Just watch my video carefully and do it. Thank you guys.